I start. So open your book. So today we'll discuss about the greenhouse effect and global warming. Yes, girls, be serious. Greenhouse effect and global warming. So why it is known as green? My first question will be why it is known as greenhouse effect.
Because greenhouse, it works like greenhouse.
It works like greenhouse. That's why it will means we tell this, or you can say we call this phenomena or this process as a greenhouse. But what is greenhouse?
Greenhouse is a glass house in which there are plants like things, so that when light comes, it can come inside when sunlight, because of the glass, but the heat cannot escape.
Okay, so he is right. What about you, Amra? Do you know about greenhouse? Greenhouse is a house made up of glass. Okay.
Which allows heat to come in.
To protect what? To protect plants or to grow the plants, because somewhat happen like in winters, plants are not getting appropriate temperature for growth. Okay, they need an appropriate temperature for growing. So that's why this is one I don't remember the name of the scientist, that I think Joshua Fourier. Joshua Fourier only, he is the scientist who discovered this greenhouse effect. Okay, so what scientists did, that they made an artificial environment so that plants will grow, so that plants can grow. They made an artificial environment, and that is known as greenhouse. So greenhouse is what? Greenhouse is the, you can say it is made up of glass walls. It is made up of glass wall which allow pass the radiation which is coming from the sun inside this wall. But what happened? Suppose I am making here sun. This glass is allowing or passing the radiations which are coming from the sun inside this glass wall, and it's what will happen then in sunlight. Okay, this is going on, but what happened at night? At night, so sun is not there, so for how these plants will get appropriate temperature? So what happened in noon, or you can say in daytime, they are getting radiations from the sun. Okay, but after sunset, what happened? That the plants actually, they are also emitting heat. They are whatever the energy they got from the radiations, now they start emitting heat, but that heat will not pass through glass wall. At that time, glass walls is acting as an opaque. Glass wall is acting as an opaque. But why it is so like this? My question is why it is so? So means some radiations can pass and some radiations cannot pass. Is there any criteria?
Plants are emitting radiation.
Emitting there's energy, heat energy.
When that the radiation is passing.
Radiations in daytime, radiations are coming and reaching to the earth, that plants. Okay, so obviously the surrounding will become warm. Okay, so there's, you know, that energy will pass. Energy will pass means if you will keep any bottle there, it means in daytime hot water is there, so it will become cold. If you will keep for some time, okay, it will become cool. It will not be that much hot because passing of energy is going on. So similarly here, energy will go, means if after sunset, then this energy should go. I mean, this house should become cold, but it's not becoming cold. Why? Because this is not allowing the energy transformation. Okay, energy transformation. So why is it so? Why?
Because glass is a pipe conductor.
Glass wall is not. If a glass wall is a pipe conductor of heat, so why is allowing radiations to enter in the glass wall?
Radiation and heat is different.
Radiations and
Heat is different.
radiation and heat is different. Okay, but radiation is also coming in the form of heat only. Heat. There is actually criteria. The criteria is that the radiations, or you can say basis on the wavelength. Basis on the wavelength. There are the two types of rays, that is infrared rays and visible light rays. So this glass is made such that it can allow or it can pass the rays whose wavelength is short. Okay, blue light is having short wavelength or long wavelength. Blue light. You have read this in that scattering one chapter. Blue light is having short wavelength, that's why it's scattered everywhere, and at night you are not able to see the blue lights. Okay, like why Carl use red lights only? Because red lights have a long wavelength. Okay, red lights have a long wavelength, therefore they don't scatter, and that's why you can see from far that okay, something is coming. It means you can see the red light. But you are taking the case of the blue light. The blue light is having a shorter wavelength than the red red light, and because of this blue light is scattered only. Means if you are very far from the car and if you want to see the light, you are not able to see light. Why? Because blue light will scatter in that area only. Okay, and red light is not having this property because of wavelength. Here wavelengths matter. So similarly also this glass wall is what it is made such that it can pass the radiations or rays of shorter wavelength but not longer wavelength. Means visible light can pass through this. Okay, when visible light will pass through this, they will get heat energy. We are dealing with the energy. Rays are giving heat. You just stand here and just outside just stand, then what will happen? After some time you will feel warm. So what radiations are, in the form of radiations only you get heat energy. Okay, so don't compare. You are saying that heat energy is different than radiations. From the radiations only we will get heat energy. My point is this. So yeah, I am saying that this glass wall is made such that it pass those rays which are shorter wavelength, which have shorter wavelength. But what will happen at night because plants absorb all heat energy? Now when they will emit, or you can say when they will return, what this plant is there, suppose, how I will make diagram of plant? Suppose this plant is there. So what will happen now when it's time to emit, or you can say it's time to transfer the heat energy, whatever it got in at the time of day, now it's time to reflect it back, then this wall will not allow to pass it back. Why? Because now the energy is having longer wavelength, and this glass wall will allow only shorter wavelength. This is the reason why that means the emitting light, every time I'm saying light, that heat energy, which is you can say now it's time to, at night it's time to pass that heat energy in the surrounding, but it's not going. Why? Because that heat energy is having a longer wavelength, and you can say infrared radiations or infrared energy we call that, and visible light they are passing in this because they are having shorter wavelength. So this is the only main difference. This keeps this house warm, and that plants can grow because they are getting an appropriate temperature. Understood? This is your greenhouse. Why I'm telling you greenhouse? Because I want to explain greenhouse effect. Okay, Joshua Fourier, he is the scientist. This question can be asked in MCQ. Just remember Joshua Fourier. I'm writing here. In 1824. Because I saw some MCQs, they are asking about the scientist's name and the year also. They are asking in which year it is discovered. This concept is discovered in which year? Yes, Ilma, where are your notes? Where are your notes? Copy, pencil. Right? Yes. He discovered greenhouse effect, not greenhouse. So this greenhouse actually is known as artificial house also, okay, because we made this so that we can get up everything, we can get its correct time. Now greenhouse effect. Our earth is also acting, earth atmosphere is also acting like this glass wall. Earth atmosphere is also acting like this glass wall. So you know that first of all earth has atmosphere, and earth having atmosphere having gases in a fixed certain ratio, but this certain ratio is disturbing. Why? Because of human activities. Okay, this ratio is disturbing. Okay, this ratio is changing. All the gases you have read also in lower classes that nitrogen is this much percentage there in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide, and this all are supposed to be in a certain ratio. But because of the human activities, Ilma, it's changing. The ratio is changing. So now, yes, we are going to discuss about the greenhouse effect. So let me make earth. Have you watched the videos? It's explained very simple, in a very simple way. This is your earth. Earth is not supposed to be round, so I will not make round. Earth is not supposed to be round, so I am making round. I will not make round. But when it's not supposed to be round, so why we will make round? You are not child, that now we will consider this concept as it is that earth is around. So yeah, what happened actually, earth having an atmosphere which is known as earth atmosphere, and it is acting as a blanket. It is acting as a blanket, and if in terms of greenhouse, it is acting as a glass wall. This is your earth atmosphere. Earth atmosphere is what? Yes, it is absorbing. So now, come to your this paragraph. This is that Earth receive radiations from the sun. Earth receive radiations from the sun. Fine. Earth receive radiations from the sun. Some radiation will absorb in the Earth atmosphere. Some radiation will absorb in the Earth atmosphere, and some radiation will reach to the Earth's surface. Some radiations will reach to the Earth's surface. You can see here that I made 4 radiations, made 4 rays, so that you can understand that some radiation is absorbed by the Earth atmosphere, okay? Or you can say ozone is also there, ozone layer. What is the working of the ozone layer? To absorb UV radiations. UV radiations, no. UV radiations having very harmful rays, and they have very long wavelength. Shorter wavelength. Sorry, long wavelength. Infrared. What happened? You are not taking interest in this topic today? It's very easy. Okay, you are knowing already, that's why. So yes, what happened actually, that's why I made Amra here 4 rays, so that you can understand that some radiation will absorb in the atmosphere, some radiation will pass through the Earth atmosphere. Now in Earth atmosphere there are some greenhouse gases that are carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons. So what they are doing, they are also absorbing some amount of radiation. So they are absorbing some amount of radiation. Now some will reflect back. Some radiations will reflect back, but because of the clouds are there, they are preventing those radiations, so that they are preventing those radiations to pass in the space, to pass back in the space. They are not letting them to pass in the space. What they are doing, they are sending back on the Earth. They are sending back on the Earth. So we can say that this atmosphere is acting as a glass wall, because in glass wall is also that when it's time at night, when it's time to plan to transfer the energy, so what happened, they are not allowing, glass wall are not allowing the energies to pass in the surrounding. Okay, so similarly we can say that because some absorption absorbed, now after that now it's time to reflect back, because some radiation will reflect back, then clouds are not letting to go the reflecting back, and this what happened, it's reflecting back to the Earth's surface, and that's make Earth warm. That makes Earth warm. So this is your greenhouse effect, simple greenhouse effect.
When it reflects back from Earth, it becomes short wavelength.
Short wavelength, yes, same as short, not longer wavelength. No? It will become when it will radiations. Okay, so
short wavelength is coming.
Short wavelength is coming. Okay, the ozone layer stopped. UV rays there only. Okay. So that's why. But because of that whole, now some UV rays are inside, means coming to the Earth atmosphere. Just because of this, I think ozone depletion. So here we are not discussing ozone, but yeah, I told you that ozone is also playing a role in stopping harmful radiation, so that it will not reach to the Earth's surface. So okay, but here we are discussing greenhouse effect. So this is how your greenhouse effect. This is your process of greenhouse effect. That how Earth is becoming warm. Okay, all the time. Now. The question is what? I wrote questions there. First of all, they have given that the atmosphere, this is given in your book, it is the greenhouse effect is an essential phenomenon to keep the Earth climate comfortable. From the sun or top of atmosphere receive approximately 1366 watt per meter square. This is the unit of energy. 136 watt per meter square. This is also a unit of energy, and out of it only 17% reaches onto the Earth. Underline this very important point. 17% reaches on Earth, and 70% is absorbed by the ocean. Ocean means because oceans also get warm. Okay, I told you that land and oceans, they need heat energy, so that they will become warm. So this is there are 30% remains in the lower atmosphere, and a small amount of energy in lower atmosphere. The temperature would have been around minus 18 degrees Celsius. But see, listen, because of this greenhouse effect, if it will not means look Gibran here, If these radiations means if ozone layer and earth atmosphere are not having greenhouse gases, if they will not absorb all the radiation, then earth temperature can go to the minus 18 degrees Celsius, minus overall temperature, average temperature, okay, minus 18 degrees Celsius. But because of these greenhouse gases and ozone layer, earth temperature normally is 17 degrees Celsius, normally 17. In some MCQs it can be found 15, 14, 17, okay, this normally approximately 17 degrees Celsius. But what happened due to human activities? Due to human activities, greenhouse gases are increasing. Amount of greenhouse gases are increasing. Yes, and because of this, that this temperature is increasing, and it is found to be that it becomes 64 degrees Celsius in 25th century. If we will not control this greenhouse gases, it will go to the 64 degrees Celsius. Just look, just imagine how much it become warm. I think 64 degrees Celsius. 25th century. You will not be okay. But we can think, and for like if we will imagine, if we will feel this situation, so then only we will take measures. The problem is that means I'm giving you knowledge about this. Everywhere means there are some policies are come out, and they are taking slogans competition, they are taking can say picturization competition is going on according to this global warming, and means topic is global warming. So what happened actually, you are understanding these things, but you are not feeling